So this is going to be a reading for the sign of Libra. Let's take the next 48 hours. So what is happening with you people? So let's start. Card 4. What is happening with Libra for the next 48 hours? What's the current situation like? With 5 of Swords, some of you guys could be very upset with your person. If not, you guys feel a bit played by your person. Like you feel like this person is definitely playing you in some which way. What else? But most part, I feel like you guys are upset on something. Like you guys are planning something against someone. Selected few of you. Not all Libras are going to be doing that, but yes. What else? With 10 of Swords, yes, I believe many of you guys are feeling played. Okay, 5 of Swords, 10 of Swords, you feel hurt. You feel like this person was playing mind games with you, and you're very upset about it. One card for how you thinking about your person now. How are you thinking about your person now, Libra? Next 48. With the Sun card, many of you guys could be possibly thinking of releasing them. Okay. Top card, we have 3 of Swords because you feel like you can't go through more shit yet. You have gone through plenty of ups and downs. This person has always been hot and cold, never been stable. Okay. Please clarify the Sun card for me, Spirit. Please clarify the Sun card for me. Yeah, some of you guys are wanting to possibly go forward into a committed relationship. If you guys have met someone new, I believe you guys are wanting to move forward with a new person. Okay, for many of you who have met someone new, if there's no new person, I feel right now you're focused on yourself. Two major arcana cards which tell me that some of you guys are possibly going to want to work on yourself, like not want to be open to new people and all that. I see you trying to be on your own for a while and possibly work on yourself. Okay, like how are you thinking about your person now? Like what are your current thoughts about your person? To be honest, you feel rejected. Okay, you feel like this person has done you wrong. They are not taking you seriously. You feel taken for granted. Okay, top card we have is 9 of Cups. Right now your main focus is going to be working on yourself. Remember, tarot is day to day energy and sometimes it keeps changing. So suppose yesterday it was a different story, today it may be a complete different story. So this reading might not resonate today but might resonate tomorrow. Okay, one more card for Libra. What are your intentions towards this person now? What are your intentions towards this person now? Why am I getting some of you are still wanting to hold on to them? I mean, what is wrong with you people here? I see with this star card that some of you might want to heal yourself but not completely give up on your person. Okay, coming back to your person now. What is the Libra soulmate doing? What is the Libra soulmate doing? What are they up to? Currently one card for what are they up to? Your person is missing you. Your person is very much missing you, but the problem is they are not reaching out. Okay, the main issue or the main problem is this person hasn't reached out. They are missing you from a distance. Some of them might look at this as a missed opportunity. Okay, like what's bothering them, Spirit? What is bothering them? To be honest, this person is not in a position to give you commitment. They could be very focused on their finances. Okay, Spirit, give me one card for what is happening with Libra's person right now. Money over love, just like I told you. This person is way too focused on their finances and they are not being able to give you that time that you deserve. One more card. But some of you might be open to compromise. Okay, if this person comes back, some of you might be open to compromise because you love them so much. Yeah. Can we still stay friends? This person is fearful of losing you as a friend as well. Okay, let them sort their issues. You hold back. Right now your person has many issues that they are dealing with, possibly financial issues as well. Their career doesn't seem to be going at the pace they wanted to go. They are not happy. Even if they are financially well off or settled, I still see them not happy with the way they are earning and the things supposed to be in their financial life. Okay, right now this person may not be able to give you that commitment. Okay, so one card for what are their current feelings towards you. One card for what are their current feelings towards you. With the Emperor card, this person is holding back. This person is not wanting to reach out or not wanting to express their feelings at all. Okay, they want to be in control. They want to not show their emotional side. Okay, they are trying to behave detached. One more card. What do they truly have for you, Libra soulmate? What do they truly have for you? Okay, right now, to be very honest, this person is maintaining a distance. I won't say moving away, but yes, in the past, they could have said something, done something that made you believe like they are walking away. Okay, but this person isn't walking away, they are maintaining a distance. They believe right now that a commitment might not be possible. This is for the next 48 hours, so don't get all weird about it. I believe right now your person is maintaining emotional distance. Okay, like what are their intentions towards you? What are their intentions towards you? So emotionally they are not connected with you right now. Okay, to be very honest. Intentions, I believe this person wants to communicate or talk to you. What can you expect? However, what can you expect? What can Libras possibly expect from their person for the next 48 hours? I believe for many of you, this person will reach out. If not in 48 hours, by 72 hours, this person will reach out. Many of you guys might get that Valentine text. Okay, one more card for what do they think you are up to? What do they think you are up to? Okay, with 10 of Cups, they feel like you are doing fine, but you are clearly not doing fine. Okay, they feel like you are focused on your family life, your finances moving forward. Maybe even you are pretending like you are fine without them. The worst part is they are believing that. Okay, so yeah, one card. What are their thoughts about this connection? What are their thoughts about this connection? With the Eight of Swords, darling, they are stuck. They feel like they cannot make a move. Neither they can take that risk towards you. Something is definitely getting in the way. Some conflict or something definitely got in the way. Okay, they feel stuck somewhere. Okay, like what are the major blockages, Spirit? What are the major blockages that are stopping Libra's person from coming towards Libra? Major blockages for some of you is third party. I'll be very honest, very direct. Nine of Pentacles. It could also be that your person right now, if it's not a third party, is wanting to focus on their finances. They want to not get into something committed because they feel they are not ready for it. Okay, and the Three of Pentacles. I believe for at least 40% of you, your person is involved elsewhere. 60% of you, I would say that a person is focused on your work life, finances, but almost 40% I see third party, to be honest. Okay, one card. So what do they want with you now? What do they want with you now, Libra soulmate? Right now they want to communicate. They do not want to lose you. They at least want to have you as a friend. Okay, how do they view you now? Like, how do they view you now as a person or as a partner? How do they view you now? Right now they feel like you are having your boundaries up. You are not letting them in. You are not going to want to listen to their bullshit again. So you're basically setting your boundaries. Okay, one card for what are they willing to offer you now? What are they willing to offer you, Libra? Right now, darling, to be very honest, they are not willing to offer you anything. This might just be a friendship thing that they are open to, but relationship I don't see happening. At least for the next 48 hours, nothing. Okay. One last card for where this is going for now. Where this is going for now, Libra and their soulmate. You feel ghosted, they feel ghosted, bloody you both feel ghosted. Okay, so one card for what can Libra expect for the next 48 hours, like overall what can Libra expect for the next 48 hours, Spirit? I believe this person will make a move towards you. Okay, they will choose to make a move towards you. At least 60 to 70%, I believe, will get communication. Not all of you. Some of you guys are into some messed up shit, but not all of you will get. But some of you will get communication. I would say major 67%, 60 70%. Okay, one card for what do they think they have for you? What do they think that they have for you? They know that they are very much interested in you. Right now, they are stalking you but not reaching out. So, one card for what should Libra be doing, Spirit? What should Libra be doing? Darling, you should make a decision. You cannot hold on to this for life. Okay, this person is possibly going hot and cold on you, and you are bloody entertaining them. Yeah, I know you are having your walls up, but you should make a decision, darling. This is high time. Okay, one last card for What you should be knowing about this person. What is this person up to right now? Libra soulmate, the one they are dealing with, new or old, what they are going through or what they are up to. Okay, this person I believe is not completely single. They could be entertaining someone else. Okay, your person is having another option. Very straightforward. Even if they are giving their work life the major priority, I do feel your person is chatting elsewhere. Okay, coming back to your messages, what should Libra be knowing? They may be missing you, but they are also trying to distract themselves by talking to someone else. But if your situation is very messed up, I recommend you to get a personal reading done from anyone you want to get it done through. Doesn't have to be through me. Okay, this person in the past, it was all about sweet words, lies, betrayal, sweet words. Okay, not over holding back. Not over holding back is the last message. So this is all I have for you. Okay, and I don't see things going very well for the next 48 hours, to be honest. So yes, this was for Libra 48. All those who purchased it or possibly chose to watch it, thank you so much. Please like the video. Every like counts. Please support the channel through your likes, your support, your comments, your subscribes, and all those who wish to possibly get a personal reading done from me. Please visit my website, join the membership for free, not free but accessible possible extended readings. And also sometimes I'd also post twin flame Libra 72 hours, 48 hours weekly and bi-weekly, which I do sometimes, not always. So for that you'll have to choose option 2 and 3, not the cheaper one, darling, not the one that costs $3. That gets you only early access to the ones that are posted, but not extended readings. Okay, thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.